is a simulator demo of doing copter landing on a moving platform such as a ship. We're going to use Mission Planner for this demo and just connect to the simulator via TCP. Once connected, we can see that we have the copter following along on top of the ship icon, even though it's actually underneath the icon in the current rendering. We can edit the parameters for the simulated ship by going to the config flow param tree, and if we search for sim_ship, we can see the ship related parameters. The main ones of interest are the radius at which the simulated ship is going to move, as well as the speed. So that is simship p size and simship speed. To initiate takeoff, we will change the current mode to be mode ship operations. Once we're in ship operations, we can arm the aircraft, and at which point the copter will take off vertically from the deck and climb up in position to our perch altitude. In the simulation, the perch altitude is specified as 30 meters. While we're climbing to the perch altitude, you can see that the copter is maintaining its position directly over the ship deck. Once we've reached the perch altitude, the copter will slide back into the perch position. In this case, the perch position was specified as 180 degrees back and 25 meters away from the ship. Once at the perch position, the copter will continue to just follow the ship until it's commanded to do something else. This could be something such as a guided point or a auto mission that has been previously planned and uploaded to the aircraft. As soon as you're doing anything else, the copter is no longer trying to follow the ship, and all operations are as you'd be used to with the copter. In this case, we're going to go to a guided point at 40 meters of altitude. To initiate a landing, we simply have to re-enter the ship operations mode. So once we've reached the guided point, we'll simply re-enter ship operations and the copter will begin a landing sequence. The copter will begin by climbing to its RTL altitude, as well as aligning the heading of the copter to match the same way the ship is traveling. Once at the RTL altitude, the copter will traverse over to the perch point while maintaining the RTL altitude, such that it will not hit any obstructions such as a mast on the ship. Once at the perch point, the copter will descend vertically down to the perch altitude before continuing on. During this time, it will continue to follow along with the ship at the previously specified perch location. Once at the perch altitude, the copter will then move forward to be vertically over the landing position, and then continue to descend down vertically to land on the deck. Once the copter is completely landed on the deck, it will auto-disarm. That's what ship operations look like in the simulator.